Volare van de Hoef. Dam line of Olympic show jumper Royal Discovery. Volare van de Hoef is sired by the 8-year-old 1.40 m stallion Diablue PS, who has made an impressive start to his breeding career. Through the Grand Prix sport and breeding stallions Arezzo VDL and J.A.M de Revel, this dam line traces in the third generation back to great-grand dam J.A.M Z. She competed up to national 1.50 m level under Spencer Smith and is a half-sister to the top-level show jumper Royal Discovery, with whom Samantha McIntosh took part in the Sydney Olympic Games. This direct dam line also produced the 1.40 m horses Venice van de Molenberg Z and Don Diablo Z.